How to use transitions in CapCut full guide. So if you'd like to use transitions in CapCut, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the CapCut application right here, right? And here you can see a certain video. Now first, to actually use a transition between two particular parts, you have to split that video into two parts. So just navigate the slider to exactly the portion where you want the transition to happen, and just click on the split option or Ctrl plus B option. Here you can see the video has been split. Now we want to add a transition right here, so we'll just go to this transition option, as you'll be able to see. And there are many sort of transitions that are available right here for the pro version or for the free version or whatever, right? So you can either just go ahead and drag this transition right in between this particular part right here, and as and when you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then basically add this particular transition right over here. So now when I just go from this part to this part, you can see the transition takes place instantly, just like that. This way you'll be able to add transitions to videos in CapCut. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.